Hey everyone, this is Journey from CBD Inside, and today we're going to be talking about how to use CBD topical creams. With the popularity of vape pens and edible tinctures, people often overlook topical CBD products, but ointments and creams should have a place on any CBD lover's shelf. The skin actually absorbs CBD quite well and maybe even better than edible CBD products. And most of the time, a host of other ingredients complement this CBD, resulting in high-quality moisturizers, sunscreens, and salves. Let's take a look at some of the ways you can incorporate CBD creams into your lifestyle. Massage and relaxation. CBD is known to have a very calming effect on our nerves, which helps us to relax. Our nervous system uses chemicals called neurotransmitters, which CBD just so happens to regulate to help us to achieve a relaxing effect. The last thing you want going into a massage is tension, mentally or physically, so CBD is a great option to help you relax just before you enjoy your massage. Injuries and arthritis. CBD has been proven to promote healing and reduce the chance of re-injury. Rubbing cream onto the affected area can really enhance the recovery of injuries and sore muscles. CBD also has anti-inflammatory properties, so definitely make sure to apply CBD to sore muscles after a big workout. Moisturizing and acne. CBD is a powerful antioxidant promoting the growth of new healthy skin. CBD oil also contains moisturizing fatty acids that have skin-clearing antibacterial properties. Generally speaking, CBD is well tolerated by all skin types, but be sure to look for it in products that best suit your skin type. Nausea. Severe nausea can make it hard to hold anything down, including medicine like oral CBD. A CBD cream may not be as potent as an oral medication milligram for milligram without slathering your entire body, but scientists have confirmed that it is an effective way to get CBD circulating in your bloodstream. Topical creams and ointments containing CBD provide a steady, long-lasting dose in a form that doesn't risk aggravating symptoms. Cramps and PMS. It is said that CBD can be the answer to feeling queasy, cramps, sleeplessness, irritability, all hallmarks of PMS. By using an infused topical, especially on the pelvis and abdomen, you'll receive a therapeutic dose of CBD without anything entering the stomach. The cannabinoids are then absorbed through the skin into the nearby bloodstream before spreading throughout the rest of the body. Sunburn. As an anti-inflammatory, CBD targets the primary mechanism behind the pain, aka the burn from overexposure. CBD's antibacterial properties are useful in light of burnt skin susceptibility to infection. It's also a potent antioxidant, which along with all its fatty acids can help soften dry skin. I hope this video has helped you understand the many ways to use CBD topicals and how topicals can help with everyday ailments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.